Hi, I'm Mr. Risk. Pause. Today we are talking about support levels, one of the most important concepts in technical analysis. A support level is an area where price reacts and starts moving up. Pause. This happens because buyers enter the market strongly at that area. So how do you mark support correctly? Pause. You look for areas where price touched multiple times and rejected to the upside. These are called areas of interest. Don't mark support using one exact line only. Pause. Think of support as a zone where price reacts repeatedly. When price comes back to that support area, traders watch for buying opportunities. But you don't buy immediately. Pause. You wait for confirmation, bullish candlesticks, rejection wicks, or strong bullish movement. If buyers defend the support level again, price can continue moving higher. And remember, pause. The stronger the reactions from the support zone, the stronger that level becomes. This is Mr. Risk. In the next video, we'll break down resistance levels and how traders use them for selling opportunities.
Alright guys, alright, it's Mr. Risk every time. Guys, this is how we mark the support levels. This is how we mark support. This is practical part, guys. We were in the theory part. This is how actually we mark the support levels. Let me show you guys step by step, guys, on how we mark the support levels, guys. It's very simple. We treat it like a zone. This is a support level. When the market reaches there is a reaction, guys. So this is how we mark it, guys. Look, there was a multiple rejection, there was a rejection and a rejection. So when there is this rejection, these two rejections, we are expecting when the market comes at this point now when it taps, it will go there. So meaning what? This is a support level. This is how we mark it, guys. These other there is a lot of support levels, guys, that we mark. For example, let's come here and mark this one. This is another good example of a support level, guys. Look, this is a very strong support level. The more, yes, when the market reaches at this point, we expect a change. Do you see? Yes, when the market reaches at this point, this is what we are talking about, the support, guys. Alright guys, this is what we call a support level. There is a rejection, a rejection, a rejection. So this is a zone. We treat it like a zone. When the market taps here, we expect it to move down. When it came tapped here, it moves up, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. Alright guys.